I always cook cauliflower this way. My family loves it. First of all, you get your cauliflower and wash it nicely, and then put it in the pan, and you boil this for some 10 minutes. Don't overcook it, okay? Hi guys, welcome on this channel. If you're new here, subscribe, like, and share this video to your friend. So guys, boil this cauliflower as you can see here, half cooked. Don't make it over cooked, okay? Then after that, take it out from the pan and wait until it cools. Then after that, cut it from the stem, okay, as you can see. After cutting it, guys, start separating into small pieces. As you see, guys, what I'm doing. Do exactly as I do. After that, guys, we are going to prepare the sauce. We are getting 1 egg and 1 cup of milk. Add some oil and add black pepper and baking powder, as guys you can see. Okay, try to make it thick. Add water little by little until you reach the right consistency. As you see, guys, don't make it light, it should be thick so that it can stick on the cauliflower. So guys, as you can see, after that, bring your cauliflower and dip it inside. You see, guys, that should be exactly like that. Then after this, we are going to start deep fry, okay? Deep fry. Please subscribe if you're new here and let me know where you're watching from. I love you guys. Fry this, guys, until it gets crispy. As you can see, guys, mine was already ready and crispy. If you eat your cauliflower like this, trust me, your family will love it. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye.